Let's continue our discussion on this graph. This graph is converted into tree. Different types of trees are possible. One of the trees we could get is the spanning tree, and in that we have a minimum spanning tree. And finding minimum spanning tree, we have used two methods, Kruksal's methods and Prim's method. And Kruksal method is the one which keeps adding the edges in the increasing weight size. So starts from the smallest and then keeps adding the next larger link and so on, and at the same time ensures that it doesn't form any loop. Okay, so in this we try to put the what you call edges into the graph and form the tree. So the first smallest edge is between 2 and 5 with a weight of 5. The next one is between 7 and 6 with a weight of 10. And the next one is between 5 and 7 with a weight of 15. And the next one is of the weight 20 between 4 and 5. And after 20 we find 25 between 1 and 3, and after that we find 30 between 4 and 8. After 30 what we have is 35 here. 35, if you try to add, it's going to make a loop, so this cannot be added. So after 35, yes, we find 40, so we can make the 40 edge. Yeah, that completes the minimum spanning tree using Kruksal's method. Now if you just try to put the minimum spanning tree in terms of what we call the single source shortest path, then we have, let me put that here. Okay, so there is 1 to 2, that makes 55, and 1 to 3 direct, that is 25. 1 to 4 is 45. Then 1 to 5 is via 2. So 1 to 5 is via 2, and 1 to 6 is via 5. No, it should be via 7. So that's 15, that's 10, and finally 8 is via 4, that is 30. So if you look at it, one is 55 units away. Sorry, one is at from where you are counting, so it is 0. 2 is 55 units away. 3 is 25 units away. 4 is 45 units away. 5 is 55 plus 5, 60 units away. 6 is this 60 plus 75 plus 10, 85 units away. And 7 is 75 units away. And finally 8 is 45 plus 30, 75 units away. So this is a single source form of creating a tree, and this is the Kruksal's way of shortest tree. So this is a single source to all nodes shortest paths. So these are the two trees which are built, one using the Kruksals method, one using the method we just discussed shortly. So that's what we need to understand, and many more issues to come. Thank you.